Aman Rao, and my topic for today is nerve gear. Introduction. So, nerve gear is a groundbreaking piece of technology that enables users to fully immerse themselves in virtual world. It's a head-mounted device that connects directly to the user's brain through a network of electrodes and sensors. This connection allows for a complete sensory experience where users can see, hear, feel, and interact with the virtual environment as if it were real. Essentially, it bridges the gap between the physical world and the virtual realm, offering a level of immersion previously unimaginable. So, this is how the nerve gear would look. It's a 3D model prepared by myself, and it's just a prototype. So how does nerve gear work? So I will be talking about how the main parts of the nerve gear works. So full dive technology. Nerve gear is designed for full dive virtual reality, which means that the user can fully immerse themselves in virtual world. It offers a level of immersion far beyond what is possible with conventional VR headsets. Brain computer interface, also known as BCI. So, the nerve gear relies on a sophisticated brain computer interface to establish a direct link between the user's brain and the virtual world. This interface allows the device to read the user's thoughts, commands, and sensory input. Sensory stimulation. The nerve gear is capable of stimulating the user's senses in a way that mimics real life experiences. It can create visual, auditory, tactile, olfactory, and gustatory sensations, allowing users to perceive the virtual world as if it were real. Neural disconnect. To prevent physical harm to the user while they are fully immersed in the virtual world, the nerve gear has a neural disconnect feature. If the user's real life vitals reach a critical state, such as a dangerously high heart rate or loss of consciousness, the nerve gear is supposed to automatically disconnect the user from the virtual environment. Paralysis. When a user is logged into the nerve gear, the physical body becomes effectively paralyzed. This is a safety feature to prevent users from inadvertently moving their real bodies while they are immersed in the virtual world. Users are only able to move and interact within the virtual environment. Thank you.